So you have chosen some buttons to purchase on wackybuttons.com and want to know how to do things in your shopping cart like add items, remove items, change the quantity, change the product, and so on. We made it easy so you can order many different items and have them all shipped together in the same box. I will show you in this video how to edit your cart on wackybuttons.com. First, we're going to find some buttons we like from the wackybuttons.com store. So I'm going to click here, Continue Shopping. We're going to go down to Smileys on the store page. So let's add this smiley face. Let's see, standard pin back. Let's make that 1 inch for this one. And we'll do the quantity of, let's say we want 25 of those. And it shows the price calculated here, $7.50. Add to cart. So as we can see, it just added that. Let's go back to shopping, back to Smileys, and then choose, say, this one. And let's make those fridge magnet 1 1/4 inch. We're going to change this to 100 quantity. It says $65. Add to cart. And we can scroll down and see that. If we're on any page, such as store, prices, any of these, and we want to edit the cart, we can click on My Cart. This would show what items we had added to the cart. We're going to click on Edit Cart down here. If you need to remove some items from your cart, click on the checkbox next to the items. So let's get rid of Panic Button here. Give me coffee, and you're all crazy. Scroll to the bottom here. We see here Remove Checked Items. I'm going to click on that. If you want to change the quantity of an item in the cart, it will update and show at the bottom of the list. So for example, if we change this, it says 1, let's change it to 100 and click Update. We don't see it on the top anymore. We scroll down and there it is, and there's the new cost. Now if you want this button design in your cart on a different product from what you have to remove the item from the cart and go back to the page you added it from. So I'm going to click on this. We're just going to delete it because we don't want it 2 1/4 inch round pin back. We'll change that to something else. So remove checked items. Now it's gone. We're going to go back to shopping here. I'm going to go to the front page here. I'm going to select the item. Now let's change the product. Let's say I want it on square, pin back 2 inch, 100. Let's add that to the cart. And there it is. If you want to add the same design also on a different product, you can do that too. So let's go back to shopping. Let's change that product to round light up button. So there it is, the same design on that product. Now that only comes in one size. We're going to do a quantity of 5 and click Add to Cart. Now we see the same design and the different product. When you think you're all set, make sure to double check your cart. Look and make sure that all the button sizes are exactly what you want and that all the designs shown are final. If you continue to check out, you will not be able to change the graphics on anything. After payment is complete, we cannot change the graphic on your products. So you want to make sure everything looks good before you proceed. So click on Checkout right here when you're finished looking everything over.